Get ready to live your life in style. Hi, I'm Jansen Gunderson, Sales Manager at Taylor Toyota, and I'd like to introduce to you the 2021 Sienna Hybrid. Stylish on the outside, refined on the inside, loaded with connected technology, and now powered by a hybrid electric powertrain for exceptional fuel efficiency, the 2021 Sienna is up for any adventure. Inspired by the iconic Japanese bullet train, the Sienna's SUV-like front end features a bold lower grille and high-mounted wraparound headlights. With muscular wheel flares to show off the available 17, 18, and 20-inch wheels, and seamlessly sculpted body to rear taillights, this Sienna opens up a world of possibilities for you to enjoy. Now featuring an available kick sensor on the sliding door and rear door, the Sienna's elevated convenience is on full display.
On the inside, the Sienna surrounds you with premium materials and innovative touches to make this vehicle enjoyable and versatile.
With features like independent zone climate control, available premium JBL audio system and rear seat entertainment, Qi wireless charging, and so much more. And as always, all trim levels of the 2021 Sienna come equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, allowing you to see more, know more, and be safer. Of course, these are just some of the new features on the new 2021 Sienna. For more information on this incredible vehicle, come see us today, or we can tailor your way and come to you. Again, I'm Jansen Gunderson. We look forward to seeing you soon.